Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the essential step of mapping your tax types in ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect before submitting to GST InvoiceNow. To start, select File on the navigation bar, then choose E-Bill Tax Type Mapping from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of tax types. For each tax type, assign the relevant tax code from your system. This ensures your tax data is correctly categorized when sent through the e-invoicing network. Once you've finished the e-bill mapping, apply the same process to the e-sales order tax type mapping section. Maintaining consistency across both areas is essential for accurate reporting. With your tax types correctly mapped, your system is now ready for seamless digital transactions. Thank you for watching.